jackpot this time.
I love you, Poppy.
Looks like you lost another one.
No one knows what it means, but it's provocative. Gets the people going.
What is going on with you guys today? It is your boy, He Got Shoe Game. Welcome back to another unboxing review and on feet for you guys today. More or less, it's nothing really like of an unboxing. It's more of like I got and I'm a show. So what I got today is something special for you guys. I was at the pawn shop and I came across these Jordan 8 Aquas, and surprisingly, they were in pretty good condition, well, at least in my opinion, and I just wanted to go ahead and grab them and show you guys. These shoes came out in 2015, and for them to be in this kind of condition, I give them about an 8 out of a 10, pretty much on the condition that they are in. And I didn't want to miss out on them. You know, I've been wanting a pair of Jordan 8 Aquas. They aren't my size particularly. They're size 9. I wear size 9.5, but I tried them on. It's not too bad or nothing. But I was on OfferUp and I saw them and I was like, man, I went to go check them out, and I got them for around retail $190 for a used pair of Jordan 8s. More or less, they go for around $300 or more, brand new, and I saved about at least $100 or so. Let's stop wasting time and let's get straight into it. Yeah, got your box right here. As you can tell, the box is like really beat up. I mean, for the shoe that is, the condition that it's in, like I couldn't pass up on them. And I've been wanting these shoes. This is the receipt from the pawn shop of how much I got them for. So they were $180. They came about to $194 with tax. And you guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think, if you guys would have copped. Honestly, like, I don't know, man. I don't think I could have passed up on these. All they need is just a little cleaning, to be honest. All they need is just a little cleaning. Like, I can't believe I got these at the pawn shop, to be honest with you. Now, they are authentic. I made sure of that. If you can check the bottom out, it's really dirty. But there's no paint rubbed off or anything like that. Right there, you got some tape right here. Let me take that off. But I just wanted to show you guys the before and the after of the shoe, of how they are before and how they will be after once I do clean them. Now, the product I'm gonna be using today is Rejuvenator. I've been having Rejuvenator for a while. This is the other shoe. These shoes are just really dirty. Like they just need a good clean. They do have some creasing in the front, but I mean, I'm gonna be really wearing these shoes. You know, I see myself wearing these shoes pretty much like all the time. I've been wanting some shoes like this, so for them to be worn, I don't mind. They're, in my opinion, I give them like a 7.5, 8 out of a 10 in condition. But let me show you guys what I could do with these shoes and how clean they're gonna look. Yeah.
Hey, run that shit up, Chase.
Oh snap, man, these look great now. Awesome. Condition is 9 out of a 10 in my opinion after cleaning them. I did go ahead and try to get rid of the creases in the front. I put like a t-shirt over it and I tried using the iron, and I think it came out pretty well. It doesn't even look like there's any creases. But you guys leave a like if you guys think I did a good job on these as far as cleaning them and pretty much restoring them to back to like they were new. Greatly appreciate it for you guys clicking on the video. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. It's your boy He Got Shoe Game, and we checking out. Yeah.